Well, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Xbox wireless headset to your PC. And what you want to do is go on over down to the Windows Start button, go to Settings right here, then go to Bluetooth, then go to where it says, looks like I got my Xbox wireless headset on here. I'm just going to remove this quick, but we can go on over to Add Device, and then we should be able to reconnect this. So let's go to Add Device, Bluetooth. Now my Xbox wireless headset is turned off, so I'm just going to hold down this button to turn it on. If you continue to hold it down, it's going to turn on the headset, and then this light is going to blink even faster. It's in the Bluetooth pairing mode now, so just hold that down. And here it says allow the Xbox wireless headset. Let's go to allow. So I can see it popped up on my screen. I'm at a 50% battery. And now it should be connected to my PC and then also my Xbox. So I can use both of those devices connected to this headset at the same time now. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.